Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a microphone and you guys are currently watching
How you get so fly?
In today's episode, we're actually reviewing a microphone from the company Tonoi, and this microphone is perfect for live streams, broadcasts, videos, just any kind of video where you guys need a microphone and need better audio. This microphone is really good. It even comes with a stand that you guys can use. But before we get into all the juicy details of this product, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications bell icon to stay informed and get connected whenever we do upload onto this channel. Also, if you guys do enjoy this video, also leave a like. And also, if you are a business owner or a company owner and actually want to work with us, our business inquiries email is creweliteyt@outlook.com. You guys can message us and we can potentially work together. And follow us on social media if you have not, to stay connected also. But basically, we're going to move on to actually testing out and actually unboxing and looking at the box and kind of, get a feel for what this product has to offer. Alright guys, so right now we're actually going to take our first look and unbox this product. So right now you guys can see it is a giant box. It is huge. On the back it doesn't really say anything, it just says made in China right over there. But you guys can see it is huge. And that's the company right there, Tonoi. Right here it just says the model name, which is BM700. And we got the black version, you guys can see. Same thing on this side, it's actually the same thing on this side. You guys can see we got the black version. And yeah, we're gonna actually unbox this microphone. Alright, so you guys can see inside now. So you guys can see there is a bunch of accessories that come with this microphone. You guys can see we also get the cables to this stand and everything. You guys can see that's the USB cable that we plug into our computer to the microphone. You guys can see this is actually the manual right there, and this is kind of like our what is it called? Audio enhancer. In fact, let's actually unwrap this. And yeah, this is like what the microphone holder. You guys can see on this camera. The microphone itself right here. You guys can see it is a nice microphone. It's actually in black. Alright, so in front of the secondary camera, you guys can actually see all the different things we're going to get. This is going to be a little tricky to set up on this table. So I'm not actually sure on this table exactly if we're going to be able to set it up. But we are going to try though. So what I'm going to do is kind of set this up. And this might be a little time-lapse kind of thing. I don't know. We'll try it out and see. But I'm going to try and set this up for you guys. And then, obviously demonstrate it and test it out. Okay guys, so I basically got this microphone mounted, but we kind of ran into a dilemma. So I couldn't mount it onto the table, so I'm actually mounting it onto my laptop. But obviously, I'll find a spot to use this eventually. But you guys can see it's a really good microphone. I like the stand and everything. I am not gonna actually attach this onto this product demonstration. I could, but I don't want to. So we're actually not going to attach this. We're just actually going to just use the microphone raw. And we are going to test and demonstrate this out and kind of get a feel for its audio quality and how it just sounds. So this is obviously our, it's kind of like our amplifier, for the microphone. So what I'm going to do is actually plug all the different cables in. So there is a cable right here from the stand that you need to plug in. And this is actually the input. So you just plug it into the back of this. Boom. There we go. And then this is obviously the aux cable for the microphone. And then also this is the USB, basically power supply for this microphone. So I'm actually going to unzip this. Actually, we might not need to because the plug's right here. No, we don't need to. I'm just going to plug this into the back. And in a second, we're actually going to test this out and test out the audio and kind of see how the audio sounds. But I was having a lot of difficulty putting this on, setting the stand on this table, because this table actually has like a slant to it. So it's not meant to be, what is it called? The microphone's not meant to be on it. We're actually going to move this out the way. But you guys can see there's actually a blue light showing up on the microphone. So what I'm going to do is actually plug this cable in. And actually we don't really need to unplug this either. So I'm just going to plug this into the back, and very soon what I'm going to just do is switch the mic over. It might be a little loud, it might be a little messed up at the beginning, but like I said, this is the first time I'm testing this out. And obviously, if you guys want, I'll show a video of me actually setting up the stand in an actual, specified better location. This location ain't the best for this microphone setup, but obviously I like to keep, everything the same on my tech reviews, keep them all standardized. So that's why I picked this spot for this tech review, even though it's not really the best spot to do this, because this is obviously temporary. Alright, so I want to switch the audio. So right now you guys are going to hear the audio switch over from this microphone right here to this microphone that we're about to talk into at the moment. You guys are going to hear a little bit of static, but basically now the audio is going to switch over right in a couple seconds. Alright, I think it's a little loud. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear the audio correctly, but it seems like it's a little loud, but obviously, like I said, this is the first time I'm using this, so it might be a little messed up at the moment, but hopefully it sounds good, I'm hoping. So yeah, we basically just plugged this microphone in. Does it sound good? I hope it does. I am going to listen back to it. It does seem a little bit loud for my, what is it called? My computer at the moment, so I'm gonna keep talking at a low voice, but hopefully you guys can hear. Test. Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode. I'm your host Jordan Bakar, and today we're reviewing a microphone from the company Tonor, and you guys are currently watching Crew Elite. Yo, this is actually really nice. I can what is it called, set up a live stream, or kind of have a commentary show and have a mic like right here, be like, hey guys, what's up, how you guys all doing? So this kind of makes the sound more muffled and a little more balanced, I guess you could say. And yeah, it looks really nice. I really do like this. It is powered via USB, so you could plug this into a computer or a charger, and yeah, I really like this. Maybe once in a while I'll actually swap this microphone out for this, and we could try it out and give it a thorough test. But at the moment, as I said earlier, it seems like it is a little loud. Alright, but you guys can see it looks really nice. And yeah, this is basically the audio test. So basically now we're gonna switch back to this audio, or this microphone I should say. Alright guys, so we basically switched the audio back to this microphone. Hopefully this microphone sounds really good. I am going to take a listen to it later on, and we're going to actually see if it actually sounds good. But basically, let's wrap up this video and basically give our final reflections and remarks. So what do I think about this microphone? I think this microphone is perfect for people who live stream, who do broadcasting, who do, what is it called, podcasting, who does, I don't know, just any kind of anybody who wants a microphone that's kind of elevated. The stand is really nice, but you do want to put it on a table that has an even kind of flat surface on the bottom. This table is rounded on the edge, which made me have a hard time actually attaching it onto the table, making me just attach it on the laptop. But I actually kind of like it on the laptop, it's a nice setup and everything. I really do like this microphone. And hopefully once in a while we get to actually use this microphone. I keep talking into this microphone. When it's this microphone, it's actually capturing all the audio. But it's kind of funny. And yeah, I am going to start a commentary show very soon. So this microphone is going to be perfect for me to get, I don't have to bend down like this. But I could just be like, hey guys, welcome back. It would be really nice. Maybe once in a while I'll pull it out and we'll test it out. And yeah, I really like this microphone from the company Tonor. This is the BM700 model. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech review and gadgets episode. I know I did making it. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys go down below and actually hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications to get updates whenever we do upload. And if you guys do like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up so we can so I can actually stay informed on what you guys think about my tech review. If you guys want to follow us on social media, our links are always down below in the description. It's been shown a couple times. And also, if you're a business owner or a company owner and actually want to work with us, our business inquiries email is creweliteyt@outlook.com, and you guys can message us and we could potentially work together on a product review. But that's basically it for today. And yeah, I really do like this. Technically, I could actually use this microphone because this is kind of universal. And yeah, I'm just saying there is some, very good stuff going to happen in the future. Very quality. This is a quality product right here. If you guys are looking for a microphone, definitely check it out. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech review. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Crew Elite signing out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next one.